This is the view. Hi everyone, this is Lily. Welcome back to my page, my YouTube channel, and this is the spectacular view from up the top of where the temple is. That beautiful temple right here. As you can see, the Latter-day Saints. That's right above Manukau here. So beautiful. And so the view is right here. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? It's opening today for people to go around and have a tour of this beautiful place. It's magnificent, isn't it? And then you have that beautiful view down there. As you can see across there, that view there is across to Rainbow's End in Manukau City, and the Telstra building. Wow, isn't it fantastic? This is absolutely, well, that's my favorite word, absolutely amazing. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's lovely. It's lovely here. So I'm waiting for my friend, and we're going to go and do the tour. And she said to meet her here between 11:30 and 12, so I will hang around and wait for her. But while I'm waiting, I like to capture this view. There you go. You have Rainbow's End. And how beautiful is this city? We live in an amazing city called Auckland. And so you can see across here, that's Montreal. There's Mount Eden. You see that? That's Montreal, and then you can see the city. Yes, the tower there. It's a beautiful spot. What a beautiful spot to build this magnificent building. What a beautiful spot. So yes, so I don't think we'll be allowed to take our cameras in there, but so I might as well take this video while I'm outside waiting to go in and have the tour. I'm really looking forward to it, and I think I'll come back with my husband. He's busy at the moment, so he wants to come back on Saturday, but this is Thursday. It's lovely, lovely, gorgeous morning. Beautiful. There. And that's me. Catch you later.